Hey friends, if you wish to resize desktop icons or change Explorer view type quickly in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Open File Explorer, and let's say we had to change the case for the icons in this folder. Then you can click on view. You can make them extra large, large, medium in which thumbnails are visible, small in which thumbnails are gone, and only the what do we say logo of the software used to open those files is visible. List means that it is in a list menu. Details, which is same as list, but you have a lot more details attached to it. As for tiles, you can see that it's a little different. It is formed in the form of tiles, and you get the time for each video here mentioned explicitly. And then you can click on the content view as well, which is similar to the details view, except for the fact that a few more details like frame and height are mentioned here, and you have thumbnails, and the length of the video is mentioned here. So I actually prefer this one for videos. And then you also have the details pane and preview pane. The details pane to check the detail of a specific file, and the preview pane to check the preview of the files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.